2017 Jeep. Customer states it's clicking noise behind the dash. Checking advise when turning on AC heat. Clicks for a few seconds, then stops. Let's see what this customer's hearing. Alright, clicking behind the dash. Let's see if it's which blend door actuator or mold door actuator it is. Let's see if we turn on the controls here. I got it clicking on the right side. See if it's related to hot or cold. I don't know why she got these covers on here. So when I switch it to hot and cold, it didn't make a difference. Turn on the recirculation door. It's flashing. Seems like it's the recirculation door. Let's see what we got going on there. I think this actuator back here is recirc door. Not this one, which is old door here. So turn this on. Stupid fucking thing. No clicking here. And on this one.